Hello, Dorn families. I'm Kelly Hunt, and I'm a customer service representative here at Dorn Homes. I'd like to show you now how to change out your hood vent filter. Most Dorn appliances have two filters underneath. If you think about it, as you cook throughout the month, grease is going to build up and clog these filters up. We recommend doing this once a month, and they are reusable on this GE model. There's an easy pull tab. You're always going to go back first and then forwards, and it easily pops out. We recommend a warm dish of water, kind of wiggle it around, maybe a small bristle brush, scrub it off, and please allow it to air dry overnight. This is a great chore to do right before bedtime. The next morning, once it's nice and dry, grab the tab again, go backwards and then forwards, and it's in place. Something else I'd like to point out, you can always refer to your model number and reference your manual as far as different models that we have in different filters right here. Thanks and happy cleaning.